Other people, we seem to be having a run of electrical faults. I had a rough idea what was going to be wrong with this one. It's an Audi A3, there's a glow plug down there for it, but the power window on the driver's side's not working. That's your fuse for it there. Ignore that, right? We have right hand drive, it's on the driver's side, so it's vice versa if you like, so it's on the wrong side, that picture. But so that fuse box on the driver's side, that fuse there is okay. So I've got the door card off. I can hear the switch is trying to do something. Yeah. So log in, come on. So I can see it's trying to do something. Electronics. Pause here, we'll find it. We have right hand drive with front and rear power windows, that one there. Come down here. Right front door control unit, right door power window switch. We'll go with power window switch, right? Does it matter? To be honest with you. What's that? This one here is the switch, right? So that's the wiring for the switch. Front right door control unit, right, is there, and it's these two here, red and green, right? So red and green, orange and green. Take you out and show you. So red and green, yellow and green. Got our test lamp there, right? These, we've taken the thing away. I need to plug back in. God damn. Squeeze. So shall plug her back in a minute, and like so, and then I can operate the switch. So we'll see, we'll put our test lamp in here, right, and I will try and operate that switch. You should see the test lamp light up. You can hear that going. Turn the engine off. Right, so we're in there with the test lamp, that should have power. Window down, nothing. Window up, nothing. Right, so red and green, it says it was yellow and green as well. It's just brown, to be honest with you. There'll maybe be a yellow and orange there, so we'll unplug this again at the minute, so we don't need this. And I'll show you what's going on. I thought this would be the case because I'd heard this car had a regulator. Somebody else put a regulator on it and still had to fix it, so kind of common sense thing, experience thing. I kind of thought where I was going to need to look. You need to take all this off, right, because you need to check that this isn't a dud, right? So you need to check that's not a dud. You need to check the wiring down there as well. So wiring comes out into here. If you have a look in there, yep, she's broke. So, and there's a load milled in there, right? So there's loads all chewed up and knackered, so I don't even see where the rest of that wire is. Oh, there she's there. So we need to try and get that conduit out of the door and see if we can get this repaired. It's not easy, these bits when they're in here, like, not easy. So one new glow plug in there, so I just need to put that plug back in, clear the code, and then we'll take it from there. Basically we'll see how it goes, because I've done loads of glow plug modules on all the Volkswagen groups. So we've got some heat shrink in there, we've soldered those joints, right, they're solid. We've got the other two ends to connect back up, and then we'll need to fix all the sheathing that's all busted, and it's not going to belong to those wires are broke as well, so look, all the sheathing, so everything will be shortened in there as well off all the metal, so no good, not good in the hood. So you can see that other black one, that's the one that I've already connected here. So, and we'll trim these wires down. We're not going to leave them that length, but we're just putting a bit extra in, and then I'll try and pull them in that way a wee bit, just so that there's no too long right here. But we will trim these down, you know, a bit. It's just giving myself some extra, basically, to work with. You know, you can always make it you can always cut some off, but you can't make it longer. So always give yourself a bit extra. Right, that's the next one done. So got the big thick one there to do now. We can chop it down to size, and once that cools down, we'll get something over it to protect it. So the solder joint should it'll be okay. What we can do, I've had to put a wee bit of wire in. Right, so maybe put a wee bit of solder on that other side actually. On there. Right, so I still need to tidy them up. I've taken the speaker out because I'm going to pull the wires in, just so they're not bent over like that, you know, and I'll need to put tape in these ends where we can't get the heat shrink on. So we'll just put tape in it. We'll need to tape all the wee bits that the sheathing's opened up on, but I'll show you. Done. Oh, it's tight there. It's not moved in a long time, so. We'll clean and grease all of that. No grease, but silicone lube we'll need to do some mix, can't leave it like that. So we'll get the rest of these wires all taped up, and then we'll get the door bolt back up. Right, so one more to do, and it's actually busting 2 places there. So it's really difficult to get into. See what we can do. Right, so it's all taped up and joined together. Hopefully it'll be all good. Right, so that's all back together in there. We'll give this a grease. Yeah, we'll need to clean all that and grease it because it won't last long like that. Okay, so I've got the door all back together, got the autel on it. There was one screw missing for the door and a load of the kind of push clips all broken on it, so it's obviously been on and off so many times. So. Right, okay, I can take my replacement screw and put that one back in. I couldn't find it, I was looking for it with the torch and everything. Anyway, right, I put a replacement one in there, I'll take that back out and put the right one in. Good. Right, so that's a different car, as per usual. Pause here. Come on! There you go. Oh, detect. Oh, I'm using my back. Oh, he's sitting. Right, oh man. Jeez man, 36, body okay, 37, Jesus. Back's knackered, knees are knackered, what is going on? So Audi A3, S3, RS3, not in the UK, not in America, so that's the one we want. She's a 5-door sportback. Kaya, if I remember right. No, it's that one. CAYB, it's that one. I remember it being a low horsepower. So we'll go to auto scan again because obviously all the codes there for doors not working and the window, so we'll just scan again. See, should just be one in there, which was for that glow plug. So see if we can get it clear. Now that we've changed the plug, no glow plugs in here, I'll show you. Aye, so there's our old glow plug there, made in Germany, Volkswagen, so not burnt. So see how big autel's doing. Looks like it's finished. There's my phone, that would have been good, eh? Phone in my pocket, eh? That'd have been good. Right, so passer sporadic, glow plug, driver's side door control module, no signal, no communication. For the aircon, okay. Anyway, so I was looking at that for the aircon. Right, rear door control module, no signal. What? Is that one knackered too? No, that one's working. Right, license plate, open circuit. Actually, I forgot about that. I did, that's my bad. So, if you know about Volkswagens, the rear bulb holders, they just rot out. Driver side door module, gateway module. The driver side front passenger door. Oh, auto doors. I like it, I like it. Motor for window lift, we knew about that. Front passenger door control module. Ah, that's interesting, isn't it? So I wonder then, maybe this driver's one then is like the main controller. Normally that's how it goes, eh? But I need to look further into the wiring diag, which, to be honest with you, on that Heinz Pro stuff, it's not always as accurate as your manufacturer's one, eh? So I can mind when the Kia Rios came out, eh? There was like very limited data on it, man. And what would happen was the Kia is obviously a Korean manufacturer, so it would then be translated into I can't remember if it was Dutch or something, so sometimes things would be, the wording would be supply voltage for door control module front passenger side lower limit not reached. I'm sure this one was all working. It is, but it's maybe going the same way that one was. So passenger door, quick erase. Nope. So something wrong in that other door then as well. So it's obviously still working at the minute. So right, so one fault code there. We're back into control unit. I'll switch that thing off. Let's put the ignition on. So it cycles those glow plugs again. And I'll check. See. Ain't nothing there at the minute. All good, so hopefully that's that. Right, so the door as well. What you need to do, actually hold on, we'll get some of that silicone lube. Let's see, pause. Only thing with this is there's no tube to put it in the channels. Go for it. It's just a silicone spray. It's what the Valters use to make everything look shiny, is this stuff. To be honest, that's what they use. So we'll start that back up again. There's some juice going, but the alternator working. Management light. Okay, doke. Glow plug circuit number 4. It's going to want the module. Come on. I can't really leave that there. Right, so we'll see if we can relay on the window. Up to the top, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, 5 potato. All the way down to the bottom. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, 5 potato. Let that off, and that's your 1 touch working again. Right, so it should go 1 touch down until you command it to stop. So 1 touch, stop. 1 touch, stop. So there you go. Right, but unfortunately we've got a problem with the glow plug still. Shouldn't be, because it's brand new. Run. Right. File download fail check. Oh, maybe I have too much data on this machine. No, something's wrong then. Something not right. Something not right with the machine. Back at here. Yes. Right, so I'm going to clear the code at the minute. Just to see what's going on. And then we'll see, because very fast, the glow plug light on, off, something like that. I need to see if it's stone cold. There you go. I need to see the car. I need the car list for me. Right. Ah, no, back in there. I want to clear it so as I can unplug it. so I'm not going to do nothing at the minute other than just unplug the glow plug again. Right, so that one there, which we're lit up on, I can see it's red, is the glow plug control module fuse. So that there sends power to the module, wherever that is, not sure yet. So that one sends power to the module, which then distributes the power to the glow plugs. The glow plugs are not used just for starting anymore, they're not, so they're clicking on and off as the vehicle's driving along to adjust emissions. So we'll pause here and see if we can see where the module is. Right, so that big fuse there, which is a 40 amp, that one, and test it on there and test it on this buzz bar up here, it looks okay. So back to the diag again. So the fuses seem to check out okay for it. Back. So we need to locate this module. So it's not like give me a location on it. Right, pause here again.